Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of X Twitter. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.